out to Rex and Restorations right now. We're gonna pick up some new bodywork that we were having painted by Nick. He had some really cool colors this time, a high-vis orange and this really sweet metallic blue. So can't wait to see what he's done with the thing and get this bodywork picked up and back on the bike.
This is sick.
We just picked up a bunch of fresh, minty bodywork from Nick here at Rex and Restorations. Now we're gonna bring it home, throw it on the bikes, and try not to crash it. Keep shiny side up as long as possible.